Welcome, Aresamayu. Now I'm going to cook you a very delicious, crispy Lechon Kawali. This is one of my favorites. It's very simple. These are our ingredients. Earlier at the market, I bought a pork belly. We will also use tangklad or lemongrass here, garlic, onions, of course, lots of salt. At a fish sauce, marimbari mo po mata. Just boil some water to soften the pork. Then we move on to the next step. So there, I'm already heating up water. Let's start with our lemongrass. You need your lemongrass. Peck it out like this so its flavor comes out. Just like rubbing the knife's handle like this. Let's put our onions. Lots of garlic. Crush a lot of garlic. It's tastier. Salt to fish sauce. Soy sauce or MSG. Crushed pepper, and then let's add our pork. I'm just going to let it simmer for about 7-8 minutes. Then we'll move on to the next thing to do. So, okay, our pig is now soft. I'll turn off our stove. I'll take it out now. What I'm going to do, I just waited for it to cool down before we massage it with salt. Of course, we're going to discard this. Okay, our pork is now cold. We also need salt and sharp object. As for me, I just got a stick and I tied it up to poke it now. If you don't have sticks, of course, a knife can also be used. All we are going to do, I'll just prick it. How many times in this process to note the salt inside. After this, it is ready to be fried. I'm heating up the oil by myself. Fry something. So pakoy, let's start with the skin side down so it cooks faster. Here is our deep fried pork. I cooled it down too. Just doing it. As you can see how soft and moist it is. So later I will just slice it into small pieces. Then it can already be served.